Greetings to you. I am Colonel Kraminder Singh, Secretary, Society for Welfare of the Handicapped. I will briefly apprise about the work of the Society. Society for Welfare of the Handicapped, which was started in the year 1967, is managing four institutions: Patiala School for the Blind, Patiala School for the Deaf, Patiala School for the Deaf Blind, and Patiala Early Intervention Center for the Deaf Infants. I will very briefly show you the infrastructure where we are now located in village Saftipur. What you see in front of you is the entire big complex which houses all these four institutions. We have a separate boys hostel, a separate girls hostel, a beautiful dining hall, a basement, adequate playing field for the children, and approximately 64 classrooms which are all smart classrooms fitted with fiber net internet for 24 hours. These schools are from pre-nursery to class 12, and thereafter we also provide some vocational training to the children. These schools have a strength of 421 children, out of which 350 are staying in the hostel with us. This is a brief view of the girls' hostel, this is the boys' hostel, and this is the dining hall which you see right in front of you. Our classrooms are all smart classrooms and they are well ventilated. The teacher to student ratio is 1:8 for the blind school and 1:15 to 18 for the deaf school. All the nursery classes are located on the ground floor, which I'll briefly show you now. And then we move on to the Patiala School for the Blind, which has a big library which is adequately stocked. It has all the special necessities, and we have a good computer room for the blind children, with which they are apprised about all the apps and about all the things they can do on the computer. We have for the deaf blind children is a well stocked occupational therapy room. This occupational therapy room has a special teachers who deal with the children who are deaf blind and also children who are physically weak. In the deaf school is also located in the same complex. This is briefly I want to show you the computer class of the deaf children. The art and craft class, we lay a lot of stress on their various activities which we try to imbibe in the children. We have a big playing fields, and these playing fields are adequate for our students, and they all excel in various sports activities. Last year we organized All India lawn tennis for the blind children. This was the first time that blind lawn tennis was introduced in India. Our blind children, they play cricket, they play football, they play badminton, they play all the other games which we are adequately stocked, and we motivate them to take part in all the games. In the deaf school, our two students went to Turkey to represent India in international meets, and they won bronze medals from there. Our aim is to provide inclusive education to all these children, and our vision is to make them service providers and not service seekers. The main hallmark of this society is that these schools, right since its inception, are totally free of cost, and not a single rupee is charged for anything from any child. Thank you.